All right. So, Apex called me up and said, hey, there's a golf ball drop this weekend. You want to do it? So I was, yeah, sure. What time? So, it's Saturday, and I'm going over, and we're going to try to do a golf ball drop for the Boys and Girls Club. So we're going to see how this works. I had to completely update my GoPro, completely update the GoPro app to get them to work together. So now they work together, and we're going to see. And hopefully, because my GoPro's on a little hat, hopefully the earphones over the top of it will keep it from flying off or doing anything like that. That's my only really concern. But we'll see. So, get ready. Oh, this is going to be fun. We're going to have so much fun. I get to drop the golf balls out of the helicopter. So we're going to do this. This is going to be fun. Oh my God, I can't believe I get to do this. This is going to be fun.
Yeah, they're behind your back here. You can still...
That's that halfway open?
Yeah, halfway. Yep, there you go. You listen.
Oh, you're sitting on the other one.
Oh, of course I am. Thank you.
Making sense?
Oh yeah. Had it upside down, that's why I wasn't clicking in.
Yeah. Funny how that works.
How'd you get it upside down?
Well, yeah, this one kind of swivels back and forth. The other ones I weren't upside down.
So that mic's got to be real close to your mouth. I know
Okay.
it's kind of annoying, but actually this can go just like that.
Does it go on the right or the left?
It
Oh,
doesn't
on the
matter.
right. That doesn't matter.
It's ambidextrous.
Wonderful.
Ambidextrous.
Look at that. I'm not specialized in the ambidextrous one.
Yeah.
Battery, fuel, brake,
Yeah.
jettison.
Yeah, I think this will be good.
That's crazy. You're gonna have the door open.
Yeah. We've made all precautions.
Just hold on to the tub ahead of time.
Yeah.
I know I'll kind of come in.
Yeah, we don't need it. We don't need all the golf balls running underneath your feet.
I'll kind of normally I do an overfly and then come around. So.
It's not like you're choked.
Yeah, right.
I don't know.
It's
Hold the cage.
Got to choke a turbine.
Artificial horizon. Clear.
Can I take pictures? Oh, I
Just hold on to that phone tight with the door open.
Okay. Nice job, Mike.
Yeah, oh yeah, you couldn't see it.
And I was over at the one pit.
Yeah.
That was awesome, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, thanks, Mike.
Sick.